G'day guys, welcome back. We are back at SunCity Harley and we're gonna take another road glide for a spin. And you're probably thinking, how do you make a road glide, which is already the best touring bike in the world, better? Let me show you. You put a 128 cubic inch kit in it and you tune it to get just under 140 horsepower. So let's go for a ride. Oh yeah, baby. All right. See this black line here, guys? That was from the initial test ride after they pulled it off the dyno. Oh hell yeah, I fucking love these things. I really do. Oh, you can't help but smile. Let's go! I love this bike, man. I just love road glides in general, but now they've made it even better by making it a hot rod. God damn, SunCity, you have done it again, boys and girls. Now, I was talking to Dan, the Harley man, before about what sort of kit they put in this thing, and he said to me it's sort of like a SunCity special. It's a mix of S&S and Screaming Eagle. So if you're interested, you can hit the guys up. I'll put their email address on the screen, so just ask them what the go is with the SunCity Special 128 kit, because it makes some wicked power. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, I do test rides a hell of a lot different to most other moto vloggers. So I don't blab on and on about specs and bullshit like that. I'll just show you the cool points and go for a dual ride. So this is definitely going to be more of a dual ride than a test ride. Fucking hell, that hammers. It's smooth power. That's the difference. It's not real aggressive, it just comes on real nice. That power curve must just be... So actually guys, talking about power curves, I got Dan to print out the dyno sheet, so I'll throw it up on the screen here so you can have a look. Alright, so there's two lines on this. The lower one, or the one that's less power, is with the 128 kit installed but not tuned, and then I think it's blue and red, I can't remember which one is which, but obviously the one that has more power is once Dan tuned it. So 137 point something horsepower at the wheel. Holy shit balls. That's pretty cool out of a big bagger. Holy fuck, that picked the front wheel up. Holy shit. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Oh shit, this is asking for trouble. Lane splitting straight past the coppers. Now I have already done a test ride video on one of these guys, which was Brent's last bike. It was the 19 Special in black, gloss black, and I loved it. That is definitely my favorite bike that I've ridden, and would definitely 100% be my next Harley-Davidson. If you haven't seen that test ride video of the black one, I'll put a link to it up here, or you can just search "this is what the photo looks like." So we'll actually go to the same spot where I took the thumbnail pic for that one, and we'll park up this bad boy and have a squiz. All right. Turn the radio back down so we don't get copyrighted. Oh man, the car park's full. Look how nimble these big bad boys are. Let's have a look around her. So 2019 Road Glide Special. Good looking bike. I do prefer them in black, or if you're gonna get a CVR, I love that Mako Shark where it goes into the blue, but this is a smick looking bike. Very, very cool. Now this being the boss's demo is not actually for sale just yet, guys, but if you are interested in buying this, SunCity Harley will have it for sale eventually. So make your name known to the guys if you're keen on it. I have no idea how much it'll cost, but you can just ask them. So yeah, nearly 140 horsepower at the wheel. Hell yeah. We better take a thumbnail pic. Alright, let's jump back on. How cool is that? Alright, let's get out on the highway and have some fun.
On stage at Splendor in the Grass in 2012, it's Lana Del Rey.
You nearly got me, Mr. Policeman, nearly. Sneaky speed cameras. Alright, so we're nearly on the highway. We're just going to put cruise on and coast on back to the dealership, and unfortunately hand the keys back to Brent. Now, when we get back, I'm going to show you something that I personally have never seen in real life, but Brent can stand this bitch up like 12 o'clock. He's scraped the exhaust tips on this, so I'm actually going to show you the proof of that, because I noticed it when I was having a walk around before. I'm like, holy shit. But I think Brent was born on two wheels, so sort of explains why he can ride, but your boy can't. I'm not even going to try that shit. Ah, there we go. Cruise control on. Damn, you gotta love touring bikes, man. Just steer it with your body. I know I've said it before, but road glides handle like Dynos, maybe even better. It's ridiculously how nimble they are for such a big bike, but mark my words, I will own one of these. It will be all black and it's gonna go like a shower of shit. Woo! Oh man, I love these things. I don't know if I can bring myself to sell the Dyno, but man, if I was ever gonna, this is why. Alrighty, well here we are. The guy's just got a lowrider S2, so I'm going to test ride that and that. The Fish Pro Sea-Doo jet ski, which is a fishing jet ski. It has a sounder and shit on it, so that's going to be coming up soon, guys. You just feel all that stress wash off you. Alright. That's not supposed to be like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks again to the guys at SunCity for letting me ride their awesome bikes. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, press subscribe, headbutt that button, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? See ya.